Installing a RAID flash power module on a riser. To install the flash power module, open the retention clip on the holder. Put the RAID flash power module into the holder and press it down to secure it into the holder. Rotate the latch on the riser bracket to the open position. Align the RAID flash power assembly with the slot on the riser card. Then, carefully press the RAID flash power assembly straight into the slot until it is securely seated and its bracket is secured. Rotate the latch on the riser bracket to the closed position. Install the riser assembly into the chassis. Install the top cover.